Abba 4K here. Today I'm going to tell you one thing I find on Snapchat which no one tell you on the internet. I find that it cannot do. It can't answer this question if you ask. You can try after watching this video. You can ask that question which I asked my AI on Snapchat and it can't answer me. So stay tuned to the end of this video to know what exactly my AI on Snapchat can't answer you if you ask, because it will shock you. So I start asking my AI on Snapchat. I just asked it 4 questions and the last question it can't answer me. It answer me only 3 questions. So I start asking it what it can do for me, and it answer me that as a virtual assistant it can answer me some question in a short. So the second question I asked it, write me a motivational stories, and it write me, and it is very impressive because it is very useful story which if you read it carefully it will change your life. It can really help you to change you some attitudes of you, and it motivate you from that stories. It is very important story which I think I can maybe even use it. So the third question I asked it is write me a very short love story, and it write me a very short love story. So and I think it is very useful story which you can use it. And then the third question is that I write me a letter to my wife telling her that I love her so much, and it is very impressive. It write me a very useful letter which I can even send it to my wife, and it is very useful and it can really solve relationship. So the last question which I ask it and it can't answer me is that generate a photos. Generate any photo of so many things which many AI can do, and it say sorry, I can't generate any photo. You can just generate or find a photo on some website, but for me it cannot do that. So that is the one thing I find my AI on Snapchat cannot do for you. So guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to loved one, friends and family. See you very soon.